What's good, y'all? Today could have been an easy money day for me, and there's two things that was going on in my head. One was analysis paralysis. That's when you look at the chart and you come up with an analysis, and then you look at the chart again, and then you come up with another analysis, and you can't decide which one to choose. You're overthinking everything. You know what I'm saying? So that happened to me today, and this this is actually a lesson to stick with my first decision. You know what I'm saying? Cause I was just going back and forth, and I was not sure what the market was gonna do. It's either that I should have not traded when I'm unsure, cause that's what analysis paralysis is. You're just unsure, you're confused, and that's what happened to me today. And not only that, another thing that also happened was FOMO, which is a fear of missing out. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened in the chart today that caused me to FOMO and try to get into the play. All right, let's dive into it. All right, so this is a 30-minute chart on Tesla, and as you guys can see, we're in an uptrend. We're making higher highs, and we finally came to that zone that we'd always reverse from. And so every time Tesla came to this zone, we had a sell-off, which would be supply. And so I really got confused on whether Tesla was gonna break out or reverse from here. So I jumped into the 5-minute. Let me show you guys where the market opened. All right, so the market opened right here and it exploded right away. And when it exploded, I was thinking about getting calls, but I didn't want it to reverse on me. So I was kind of waiting for a pullback. And so this explosion right here caused this demand zone. So I even drew this early in the morning. I drew this demand zone. I was like, okay, cool. If price gets back here, I'm gonna jump in. But then I had no patience at all, because as soon as price pulled back a little bit, well, first I started to have analysis paralysis because we're having this sell-off. Like we went up and then we were selling off. So sometimes that happens with the fake out. So that's why I started thinking what would happen. So we're pulling back. We pulled back to like 428, and I saw some buying pressure right there. So I got in right here, and then the stock would kept going down, and I took a $45 loss. And then so once I seen Tesla was going down, I thought that it was gonna do like a fake out and reverse and continue going down, because we had this candlestick right here that was showing like a lot of selling pressure. And yeah, so I thought we were gonna have like a fake out up here and then continue going down. And so I ignored my first decision. My first decision was to actually get into buy a call once if we pull back to this demand zone. And so I got into a put like right here, and then yeah, so I took another loss. So I took 2 losses today. I really had analysis paralysis. I should not even trade it today because it was a short day. But yeah, so my first choice, my first decision was actually right. This could have been easy money right here. I could have just entered right here and put my stop loss like down here, and then bam, took profit up here. Now I'm saying could have had a good day, but yeah, so that's what happened to me today. I had analysis paralysis, and also I had a little bit of FOMO, because when we had this explosive buying, I didn't want to miss on that up movement. So I got in like hella early. I should have just waited for right there. But yeah, that's a lesson to learn. So this week wasn't actually a bad week. I only lost 72 bucks. And I'm actually sticking to my plans of risking 20 to 70 bucks. And that's going well. And I've been thinking once I get comfortable, like once I start seeing that I'm making profits and I'm doing better, I will be taking more risk in order to make more money. But as of right now, I'm still like in the stage of figuring this whole thing out. I'm not profitable yet. But last week was my first profitable week. I only made 162 bucks. And then this week I only lost $72. So we're gonna keep at it. Hopefully we can become profitable soon, man. Cause I'm tired of losing, man. You feel me? And yeah, so I think I traded on Tuesday. I didn't trade on Monday, and Tuesday I lost 75 bucks. Then Wednesday I had two winning trades, which was 70 bucks and $45. And then today I basically lost what I made on Wednesday. So yeah, this week lost 72 bucks. Not too bad. So y'all stay tuned, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.